Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. We're going to try to make this video a little bit shorter, more concise. Let's go ahead and hop into charts, facts, and data for this week. AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. So the first things we want to talk about here on AMC and GME obviously is going to be GME earnings. GME earnings is going to be this week, June 10th. Ladies and gentlemen, this week, June 10th. So we will be seeing GME earnings here on Tuesday, okay? So this is going to be happening right in the beginning of the week, and this is going to be the biggest catalyst that we have here for GME. Now, I did put out some plays in the Discord, high risk, high reward. If you are in the Discord, make sure you guys check that out. I want to make sure everyone is aware of these plays because it could happen right in the beginning of this week. Now, what I expect to see for AMC and GME, based off of everything going on right now, fundamentally and technically wise, is GME might see a little bit of pullback to consolidation here on Monday, okay? Expect Monday to be very, very boring and potentially even be red, ladies and gentlemen. This is because people are going to be skittish. They're going to be making it seem like, hey, this is something's going wrong. But then I believe here on Tuesday, we will see a push to the upside here in after hours as GME absolutely crushes earnings. GME has been beating earnings for the last few earnings, okay? If we go ahead and type in GME here stock and put it up here, and I'll show you guys all of the earnings. We have been beating earnings for the past few earnings. 1, 2, 3. This would be our 4th beat in a row. We are profitable. Ryan Cohen had acknowledged that earlier here on an interview that the company is profitable. So I believe we will see a profitable GME with not only that, but also showing potential growth into the future as Switch 2 sales are going crazy, which are probably going to be on next earnings. And we also have Bitcoin, and we're sitting on a ton of cash. So this, ladies and gentlemen, to me means GME is fundamentally and technically improving, and the short thesis is literally destroyed, especially with them putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. That makes GME a long-term hold. So I believe this earnings is going to be absolutely a huge catalyst to see some potential movement to the upside. I think we're going to see basically some consolidation pullback here on Monday, but then here heading into Tuesday after hours, that's when GME earnings is going to be. And then Wednesday, we could see some upside here for both AMC and GME, as AMC will get some sympathy as well. And then I'm going to break it down here in the AMC section as well. AMC also has some bullish technicals. So expect GME to probably come down and fill this gap here on Monday. There's a gap here at 29.49 to about 29.40. Expect that gap to get filled. Probably see a drop to the downside. Do not be alarmed if you do see that. This is what we are expecting.